Hey everyone, it is me, MetaFox101, and I have a better mic this time. Hopefully my voice is better as well. And yes, there might be some crackles, but once I get a high grade, like, that probably won't be there, but this is going to be a while until that happens. And it's holding so close to my mouth because, well, I thought they were good mics. Actually, the headphone part is actually the mic. And that didn't make me very happy. Anyways, the fan fiction I'm reading today is called Foxy X Reader, I Love You. The name I'll be using actually Demarcus. So yeah, and you know a little bit. Here we go. Foxy X Reader, I Love You. Bye, Pinkie Pie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It was a Saturday afternoon at your little cousin's John's birthday party at Freddy Fazbear's Pizza. You sat down at the Pirate's Cove, watching Freddy Chicken Body perform. Where's Foxy? You asked yourself. Went to the manager. Do you know where Foxy's at? You asked. Foxy's out of order. Good. The manager walked away with his broom, sweeping the crumbs off the floor. You remember when you were little, all the good times you and Foxy had together. Holding hands, doing the hokey pokey, and hugging. You had a picture of you and Foxy when you were little. I missed it. You walked behind the stage and saw the perfect down of Foxy animatronic. You were sad. You hugged him. It's me, he said. Foxy opened it without a glance. Demarcus? Is that you? He said in a broken down voice. He hugged him, not letting go. Aren't you scared of me? The body of any savage though? You know, Foxy said. It was good. We're not meant to be a little girl. You know the fox I have known since I was 3. Foxy said, sparking tears. Kissed her head. Let's just fix it at least, he said, blushing. You and Foxy had snow. Well, I'll have to admit that was a little short, but it was something to record my return. Once I'm not more of these done. Hope you enjoyed. Good night.